Hi guys, look what I've got. The very trending Kinder Joy Harry Potter edition. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna get. Of course, I'm not gonna eat it because I don't know how it tastes. I've never had Kinder Joy, but I've seen this a lot on Instagram. It's all over my feed, and I really wanted to try it, but it wasn't available on Blinkit. I tried it and it was out of stock. It was on my notify me list for a very long time. Still, it was out of stock. Finally, today I went to a Amul store near my house and I saw it and I was like, I have to get it. Just to be on the safer side, I bought two. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I like Harry Potter series, but I'm not a die-hard fan. But those adorable little Hermione, Ron, and Harry Potter looked so cute, and I really wanted to have them. I am expecting Hermione in one of them. I really want that one more than Harry Potter or Ron. So let's see, let's open this and see what I get. Okay. This was the Kinder Joy actual candy. I don't want to eat it. But oh, I got Malfoy. Oh, this is a book and bookmark, sorry. So cool. Nice. See? Next, I'm gonna open the next one. Let's see what I get. Oh, I got this. This is Hedwig, right? I don't know what that owl is called. Please, guys, don't judge me. But I think it's that only, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong with the name. I'm gonna attach this. Nice. I really wanted Hermione. I'm gonna buy some more for sure, and I'm gonna make another video. And if I get Hermione, only then I'm gonna make a video. So stay tuned for my next video and wish me luck if I get Hermione, please.